So now what is authorization? So you guys have come across this word authorization, and you guys are already familiar with this. So let's once again just quickly brush up this topic. So authorization. So authorization is the process of giving someone the ability to access a particular resource. So what exactly is authorization now? So there is two topics, that is authentication and authorization. So authentication is basically where we will be identifying ourselves with some certain set of credentials to prove the particular application or a person that we are the person whom we are intended to be. So what is authorization? So authorization can also come before authentication.
Vulnerabilities under the JWT token. So here in this video we will be checking out the different weaknesses, beginning with the bypassing of signature verification. That is, the initial I told you the first segment of the JWT we have the header. So under the header there is the algorithm that is being specified. So we will try to remove that algorithm and check if the JWT token is still verifying or not. So if it is still validating, then that can be a vulnerability.
So under the intruder tab, I'll select this field. In the payload section, I will give some password list. When I click on start attack, we might probably see some 200 status code responses. So now the status code is 400. So 400 means it will show invalid response or the content has not been found. So here the message will be invalid credential. So that means this password is not being matched. So if I go to some, and also we have insufficient authorization checks. So authorization checks ensures that the users who perform certain activities are having the permission to do so, or if they are not thoroughly checking what kind of permissions they have. So if these are some of the small misconfigurations which might lead to the unrestricted access to sensitive business flow, where user might be able to call multiple times. Only certain set of users or the authorized users will have it. And now I'll write my email ID so that I will get a password reset token. test@gmail.com. So when I click on send, it will send me a OTP to test@gmail.com. So I can check my OTP from here.